Welcome back to the Marketing Ninja Podcast with Manuel Suarez, CEO of attention-grabbing media and author of #1 bestseller, Marketing Magic.
AI-powered graphic design and editing. So for some time now, the world of graphic design has been opened up to anyone. It really has. But most of us do not consider ourselves to be graphic designers. One of the biggest game players in this evolution has been Canva. It really has been. And they have stepped up the game. I'm going to show you guys some really cool things. By the way, the tool is going to cost you $15 a month, $15. So you can pay for a whole year ahead of time, which I believe is like $120. This is your AI powerhouse graphic design assistant. And it's next level to ChatGPT. It really is. We can do so much more now, right? That's the idea. Take creativity to the next level. So within the last year, they released a collection of AI-powered tools. And now we're talking about Canva. Magic Studio, that's what it's called. Canva, $15 a month. Incredible. Before we explore some of these AI features, let's cover how to set up your branding. So this is how you set up your brand on Canva. It includes your logo, brand colors, fonts, brand voice, photos, graphics, and icons. This is what we're doing. We're adding a logo, brand colors, fonts, brand voice. If you don't have these things made, how are you going to make it? ChatGPT first, right? So let's go through these steps on how to set this up. You make sure you have a Canva Pro account, $15 a month. Navigate to the brand kit section of Canva. You see it right here, brand. You add new, add your brand name. This one, we're choosing a brand name, Cats Our Life LLC. Create and upload your logo right here. And you're going to add your color palettes and add your preferred fonts. And then you're going to add your brand voice. Save it. Now our basic brand elements are set up and can be applied to any design we create, which is really cool, right? Because instead of having branding all over the place, every time you need something, it knows that you're looking for a certain branding to be kept. So it's really, really powerful for yourself. It's going to save you a lot of time. So AI feature number 1, design graphics in seconds. When you log in, the first thing you'll see is this. It looks like that. What will you design today? And it says use 5+ words to describe your design. Type in a few words about what you want to create and Canva will kickstart the design process. So let's test it. Create an Instagram post about the history of tacos. So here's what it created for us in seconds. So let's look at the history, right? The tantalizing tale of tacos, a delicious history. Taco Tales. Instagram post, the tasty evolution of tacos. Explore the rich history of everyone's favorite handheld meal. That's making me hungry right now. Explore the rich history of tacos from ancient origins to modern delights. Tacos are a delicious representation of Mexican culture filled with rich history and flavors. Signed by Taco Lover. Taco Time, exploring taco history. Uncovering the delicious origins of everyone's favorite Mexican dish, the taco. The taco evolution history, from ancient civilizations to modern street food, explore the rich history of tacos. So you can see this is like next level up from ChatGPT, especially because it's a tool built for designers, for artists. When we find what we like, we can click to edit the template. So you go over here and you click on customize this template. And we're going to try a different type of design right here. A flyer for a workshop about cats and stress relief. Let's see what it created. Cats, Pause for Peace workshop. Cats and stress relief workshop. Discover how cats relieve stress. Cat therapy, healing, pause workshop. Cats, your stress relief partners. Let's take a closer look at one of the templates. So check this out, right? Like when we actually provide those branding elements, whatever you create is going to create it in the same way. So now you have this tool that you don't have to keep on repeating to it. What are your colors? What is your font? What is your overall branding? It really is helpful to have that branding kit in place. So let's use our brand kit to instantly make it match our brand. First, navigate to the brand option inside of the design. We're over here and we're going to click on brand. And then we're going to click on AGM brand kits. And then we're going to click on Cats Our Life. That's the one that we uploaded. Select brand kit, click on colors to automatically apply your brand colors. And then we're going to click on shuffle. This will change the original template colors to your brand colors. And off we go. Same thing, correct branding. You can click it more than once to switch it up. And now we have that one, etc. You can even update the text to better reflect your brand voice. To do this, select the text you want to edit by clicking on it. So we have this one over here. Join us for a workshop about cats and how they can help you relieve stress. With the text selected, click on generate in this brand voice. So our brand voice is friendly, energetic, and engaging. We're excited to share our love for cats with the world. So we're going to generate that. And it now says, join us for a workshop about cats and how they can help you relieve stress. And it goes into join us for a workshop about cats and how it can help you relieve stress. From that to discover the magic of cats with us. Join our fun and engaging workshop to learn how these furry friends can bring joy and comfort to your life. Let's celebrate our love for cats together. So we click on replace. And now we have this thing that we update with the image. We, if necessary, add our logo and add all the details, and our flyer is done. Just like that. Well, simple enough, right? So here's another way you can easily create graphic with just an image. We'll use this one right here. But here's how it works. Click on the search bar, and then we're going to click on Start from Media, and then we're going to click on Choose File. Canva will then start to create some designs with your image. So we have these things being created. The recent earthquake was nature at its most devastating. Obviously, it's not the messaging. We're going to try a photo this time. This one over here. Here's what Canva created. That's the sign. I can just go in there, replace images, replace the copy, and add our brand guides and all of it. So image editing, the days are over when you need to have years of experience with Photoshop. Canva has a set of AI-powered editing tools that make editing images easier than ever. Removers, grabbing text, they can be found by clicking on the image you want to edit. So this was the one that I want to edit. I click on edit image, and I'm going to show you a few of the steps on how this works. Expand image, for example. Let's say that we need to create a Facebook cover image that showcases your product. The only problem, it doesn't fit the frame well. That's the frame. That's the banner. I needed to showcase the full product. So we can use AI to expand it. Usually, if you just expand it, it's going to make the image get deformed, right? So instead of that, I grab this thing and I click on edit image, and then I'm going to go and select on this option that said Magic Expand. Select the size. I'm going to select whole page and click on Magic Expand. And it does this without altering the quality of the image. Oh my God, I don't have the right dimensions. Well, this thing can do it for you like that in a second. You cannot get this level of quality and production with ChatGPT. So it is a higher level up for those of you that really mean business. So Canva will create several options. Select the one that you like. You select one, or you click on Generate New Results at the bottom. You will now have an image that fills the frame. But what if there's something you don't like in the image? 2 edit tools that you can use to solve this. Magic Eraser, Magic Edit. Let's start with this one right here. Magic Eraser. You click on the design open, and then you click on edit image, and then you go to Magic Eraser, and you can use the brush tool, select the area you want to remove, and just like that, click on erase, and the Canva will make the whole thing disappear or you select it. Things that used to be possible, like graphic designing, graphic designers can do this easily for years. Absolutely. They can definitely get this done. But now you all can also do this, even if you have no background with it. Now, what if we want to add something to the image? First, for this one, we'll use this tool, Magic Edit. With the image selected and the tool open, we're going to use the brush tool to select the area where you want to add or change something. Describe the edit you want. I want to add plant leaves. I want to add something to it. And I click on generate. And just like that, it's going to create several options. I pick one, or I generate new results. And then I have leaves to make it nicer. And it's so easy to add. Canva feature number 2, create a unique graphics from text. Unique graphics from text. Like ChatGPT, Canva has the ability to create images. Since we already covered this using ChatGPT, I'm going to show you another tool that ChatGPT doesn't offer. AI-generated graphics. This tool can be found by navigating to the Magic Media button, the left-hand menu over here, Magic Media. All of this, you will have to do it to get the full advantage of the tool inside the desktop in the canva.com website. This will allow you to create AI-generated images, graphics, and videos. To create a custom graphic, click on Graphics. I want to create a ninja working on a laptop. And we're going to give him a specific of how I want it, simple, artistic, detailed. I'm going to select Generate Graphics, and then it's going to create these options over here. A ninja working on a laptop. So I'm going to go and click on the one that I want or click generate again to get more options. These graphics can then be used for things like logos, social media posts, ninja match, tech ninjas versus video ninjas, who will win, and more.
Hey, thanks for listening. If you enjoyed the podcast, go ahead, leave us a review and subscribe to tune in for future episodes. And if you're looking for a team that'll go above and beyond for you and your brand, go to talktoaninja.com today.